Most people search for JobTread alternatives for the wrong reason. They think there must be a better app out there. But here's the truth no one tells you. The best alternative is not about more features. It's about finding a system that actually matches how your contracting business runs every day. In this video, you'll discover the best JobTread alternatives in 2026, who each one is actually built for, and how to quickly figure out which one fits your business without wasting time on complicated trials. Let's get straight into it. First up, we have JobTread. This is one of the most established names in construction management. It's built for contractors who need strong scheduling, client communication, and project coordination. Think of someone like Jake who manages multiple job sites and needs detailed control over every stage of construction. JobTread works well when your operations are already complex and you need structure at scale. Now here's where it gets interesting. If JobTread feels too heavy or expensive, many contractors look at CoConstruct. It is often used by custom home builders and remodelers who want strong client communication and budgeting tools. It helps bridge the gap between project management and client updates so homeowners stay informed without constant phone calls. But here's the problem. Both JobTread and CoConstruct can feel like too much for smaller teams. That's where simpler tools start becoming more attractive. Next, you have Jobber. This one is very different. Jobber is not a full construction management system like JobTread. It is more focused on service businesses like HVAC, cleaning, and small contractor teams. So imagine Alex running a small field service company. He needs scheduling, invoicing, and client reminders, without dealing with complex project tracking. That's where Jobber shines. Now let's talk about another alternative, Procore. Procore is the heavyweight option. It is built for large construction firms handling massive commercial projects. It includes deep document control, RFIs, financial tracking, and enterprise workflows. But here's the catch. For smaller contractors, it often feels overwhelming and expensive. Now here's the key insight most people miss. The best JobTread alternative is not the most powerful software. It is the one your team will actually use every day without confusion. So here is the simple breakdown. If you want enterprise-level control, Procore is the direction. If you want strong mid-level construction management, JobTread or CoConstruct work well. If you want simplicity for small service-based operations, Jobber is often the easiest choice. And if you are somewhere in the middle, still growing, still organizing your processes, you should focus on tools that balance structure and simplicity instead of maximum complexity. Because in real construction businesses, adoption matters more than features. So don't just ask what is best. Ask what your team can actually run without slowing down. If this breakdown helped you, hit like, leave a comment with your business type, and subscribe for more clear, practical comparisons that help you choose the right tools with confidence.